Welcome to Real World AIP. I'm Stacy and today I'm making oyster pate. Now, why would I make oyster pate? Because I hate canned oysters. I don't like them. The texture is not good. They don't, to me, I guess I'm spoiled. I eat a lot of fresh oysters, but there's a lot of people that can't get fresh oysters very easily, or they're really expensive. These are so economical. So I'm going to show you something you can do with them to make them taste better. Pate! So let's get started. So I went online and I looked up, oyster pate, what do, normal recipes put in it, and there was cream cheese in a lot of them. So I'm thinking, okay, maybe some of the coconut milk off the top of the can, or even better, some avocado. That'll give it the creaminess that the cream cheese would give it. A lot of them had Worcestershire sauce. What's that gonna do? Nothing that coconut aminos can't do. So we'll use those instead. And then there was lemon juice and green onions, garlic, parsley, olive oil. So let's just see what combination we can throw together to make this thing yummy. This is an 8-ounce can, 226 grams. I'm gonna open that. If I need liquid, I'm gonna put coconut milk in there. So let's drain this. And we'll pour those right into the Ninja. This is the perfect size to make one batch of oyster pate. To that, I'm gonna do half an avocado. I'm gonna take the juice of, I'm gonna go 3 lemon wedges on this. 2 cloves of garlic. Normally wouldn't measure this, but just so you know how many, let's see, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 dashes of coconut aminos. It's about a tablespoon. So I'm thinking, for this go around, I'm gonna do the avocado for the creaminess, and then I'm thinking lemon, garlic, capers. I'm actually taking the AIP certified coach class run by Mickey and Angie, which is really exciting. Haven't graduated yet, but so far so good. We did cover, however, which acids are AIP compliant. None of them. Okay, no ascorbic acid, no acetic acid, no lactic acid, no citric acid. They're all derived from things we don't want to be eaten. So you got to be careful. Like these Walmart capers, they have acetic acid in them. That can actually be derived from petroleum. We don't know where it comes from, so that's the problem. But there are brands that are just, capers, water, distilled vinegar, and sea salt. Read your label. Anyway, I'm gonna put a bunch of capers in there, and I'll measure them just for you. So this is like a scant tablespoon. Also some green onions. 2 tablespoons. Also some extra virgin olive oil. That's about a tablespoon. Now we do the taste test part. It's oystery. It's oystery. Woo! Okay. Has some cooked sweet potato in the fridge. This is gonna make it. This is gonna do it. This is 70 grams of sweet potato. This is like silky smooth. It's got this seafoody aftertaste, but it's good. It's like, oh man, if you mixed in some crab meat into this, like, crab dip. This is, oh man, make crab dip out of this. Seriously, mix crab meat into this, or this is good. You could use this as a spread. I'll just sit here and eat it and eat it and eat it. Okay, I think we're done. I'm sure this would be equally delicious made with a coconut cream. That sweet potato made all the difference. Let me know what you think of this recipe. If you have any ideas on what to do with it, serving suggestions. I'm just probably gonna eat this with some celery sticks, but I'm sure there's much more fun options out there. If you liked the video, subscribe below. I post new videos every Thursday, and I hope to see you soon. Until then, be healthy.